Smith opening it up, going for Macklin, who's got some space, got the ball, down at the 3. Smith 5 of 8. 1st and 10. Going long again. Macklin working on Darby. Got him! Touchdown!
Well, you're going to see the safety. He goes back to the middle of the field. They get the one-on-one matchup. They want Macklin on the rookie, Darby. And this is a perfect throw by Alex Smith. He gives him enough air, and he allows him to run underneath it, unlike he did on the other one where he had to come back. But really good anticipation by Alex Smith.
Moves up nicely. He's got to get to the 39. He gets a block, and he got the first down. Sammy Watkins with 158. 2nd down, 11, looking for Macklin. What a catch! He's got the ball inside the 15. They get inside the 20. He beats Stephon Gilmore, 32-yard strike, and a Chiefs first down.
And Gilmore's in good position, but then once he turns around, you see the little push-off from Jeremy Macklin, and that creates just the separation, just enough separation to make this catch.
These long pass completions, and Macklin's got a couple of them. Smith will look into 5 defensive backs for the Bills, 3rd and 2. Kelsey across the middle. He beat McKelvin. He's tackled by multiple tight ends, 2nd down and 6. Chris Conley was at the bottom of your screen running. This goes to Kelsey. Touchdown. He beat Darby, the rookie. What a throw by Smith. Travis Kelsey, the tight end. Kansas City Chiefs have their first lead today.
Just check out this formation. Pretty neat how they do it. They get 3 verticals. And Alex Smith is just going to read that near safety. And once he sees the safety jump the inside crosser, he knows that he has his tight end over the top for 6.